Okay, so welcome back to another unboxing video at the Battersea Museum. Today I actually have a special guest, Dwayne Edwards. You want to tell us a little bit about who you are?
Sure. So I am the founder of PENSOLE Academy in Portland, Oregon. One of the only footwear design schools in the world that specifically teaches pretty much anything that goes on your feet, from sneakers to high heels.
Well, today, normally I unbox something for a guest, but today we are getting a donation, and so I get to do the unboxing. Can I start? Okay, I'm ready. All right, here it goes. It's kind of stuffed in here, I think.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Oh, oh, ooh.
So this is a collaboration that
Excellent.
PENSOLE and Coat and Seal have done together.
Okay.
And Coat and Seal is one of the most innovative accessory companies in France. This is the first time anyone's actually ever seen it.
Are you kidding me?
No one's ever seen it besides Sophie.
Can you see I want to open this?
Yeah. And then the last piece to this is that we partnered with Vibram, the premier outsole manufacturer. Yep. They did the bottom with us.
Okay.
So this is a Coat and Seal, PENSOLE, and Vibram limited edition product that doesn't come out till the end of the year. So you're the first one that will see it outside of the walls.
I'm so excited.
So it comes like this. It comes in this big bag.
Okay. Oh, and I see that there is a bag.
Yes.
Okay, should I just remove the whole thing?
Yeah, just go ahead and move the thing.
Okay, all right.
The whole process.
Well, now it's an artifact. I gotta like
take care of it. All right. So this is the bag.
Okay.
So it opens up on the sides.
Okay.
So you pull that open, and then inside is the rest of it. But this is the way the bag will come. It's a multiple. It's a backpack. It's a shoulder bag. It could be a duffel bag. It's very, very versatile.
Of course, the bag's beautiful, but I gotta get to the shoes. Yes. Oh, they're so cool.
So we took inspiration from their bags, and we wanted to create a kind of unique footwear piece.
You can
so
snap
it comes
it down?
that way, yeah. It comes that way, snaps, and then you unzip it to reveal the actual rest of the shoe.
Oh, interesting. So that's a neoprene sock.
Yeah, it's a neoprene booty, and it's pretty much a slip-on, and you can adjust it with the zipper, depending on the tightness that you would like.
Okay.
But what we wanted to do is really try to create a visually iconic piece of footwear that really paid homage to the bag itself and the craftsmanship and the styling that Coat and Seal puts into their bags.
I'm kind of feeling like it's too bad they're not my size. I said they're part of the museum collection.
They're actually my size. And so I gave them to you.
Oh, thank you so much. Yep. Oh, they're amazing. Are they waterproof?
No, it's not. It's water resistant. So the fabric is water resistant.
It's connected, right? It doesn't come out. Yeah. Okay. I'll take out the other pair. Oh yeah, they're single.
So it comes that way, completely flat.
Yeah, I see. Yep. So that's actually good for packing. In your bag.
Yeah, extremely. We work with one of the best factories in Napoli called Gelati. And so they were the footwear manufacturer with us, and again, it was a challenge for them because they had never really constructed footwear similar to the way a bag was made. Yeah.
Well, we are extremely happy to have this at the museum. Thank you so much.
I can add it to the team.
So I just wanted to tell everybody that if you're interested to learn more about PENSOLE, it's going to be in our description below. But because you're here, I actually have a surprise for you.
Oh, okay.
So.
All right.